Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yam seafood. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes about 200 grams of mixed seafood such as shrimp, squid, and firm white fish. Also, gather your aromatics, 2 stalks of lemongrass, a 2-inch piece of galangal, and 4 kaffir lime leaves. Don't forget the key seasonings like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Now, let's create the heart of our Tom Yam, the broth. Begin by bringing about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium pot. Add your prepared lemongrass, sliced galangal, and torn kaffir lime leaves to the boiling water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of good quality Tom Yam paste. Let this aromatic mixture simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. With our fragrant broth ready, it's time to add the star ingredients, the seafood. Gently place your shrimp, squid, and fish fillets into the simmering broth. Be careful not to overcook them. They only need about 3 to 5 minutes until they turn opaque and are just tender. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, the juice of 1 fresh lime, and a few sliced bird's eye chilies for that signature spicy kick. Your delicious homemade Tom Yam seafood is now complete. Ladle it into bowls and garnish generously with fresh cilantro leaves for a vibrant finish. This flavorful and spicy soup is best enjoyed immediately, perhaps alongside a bowl of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. It's a truly satisfying meal that brings the taste of Thailand right to your kitchen. Remember to check the description for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.